Hey, you clicked on this because you want to know the perfect country to study abroad. And here's the truth, that country doesn't exist. But wait, before you think that this is going to be another lecture on no country is perfect, let me give you something better. I'm Piyush Bhartia, your study abroad coach. And yes, a perfect country may not exist, but the perfect combination does. Every major study abroad country is best at one thing: education, cost, visa, jobs, climate, happiness. And today I'm going to take all of these best things and build a dream country from scratch. By the end of this video, you will understand what matters to you the most and hence which country you might want to pick. So today we build this dream country called Edunova. Let's start with the foundation, education. Because at the end of the day, if your degree doesn't open doors, nothing else matters. You don't fly 10,000 kilometers just for a piece of paper. If you're looking for opportunities, if you're looking for research, if you're looking for networks, if you're looking for learning, if you're looking for latest in pedagogy, latest in technology, and the best infrastructure, the country that nails it is the United States of America. It has the deepest research ecosystem on earth, top labs, funded research projects, and thousands of assistantships both for teaching and research. So Edunova brings to you US level academic access, not just rankings, but an ecosystem that helps you grow. But immediately the second big factor comes, which is affordability. It's the number one reason why students drop out or compromise. And the painful reality is that the countries keep raising their fees 1x, 2x, 3x over a long period of time. And there are a lot of hidden costs, including insurance and in living expenses. But there is one country which has built the perfect balance, and that is Germany. Yes, Germany has its public universities with zero tuition fees, transparent semester fees, affordable living, and still high quality of life if you plan it properly. So Edunova takes Germany's affordable costing with low stable tuition fees, plenty housing, and affordable living. Third becomes very critical is the ease of getting a visa. Because in many countries, this is one thing that destroys all the dream. And controversially though, this is where one country stands out. And that, my friends, is Australia. Transparent visa policies, minimal documentation, flexible ways of financing your education, and showing your proof of funds. Fast processing times and predictable outcomes make it a great choice for students. For Edunova, we take UK's visa clarity and push it even further. Fast processing, straightforward rules, and clear post-study work pathways. But yes, if you are there now, the one thing that everyone will look for is jobs. But you can love your degree, but you'll still need a job to stay. And this is where students are struggling the most. No experience, no jobs. And no job, so no experience. One country breaks this rule more than anyone else. Right now, in a very inviting manner, UAE and Dubai specifically in there is giving great opportunities for students to find jobs. Be it in the domain of finance, Dubai being a big financial hub, be it in the domain of real estate, construction, engineering, and even in general management roles where many of the countries today are struggling. A large market opening the whole Middle East as an opportunity and their earnings getting matched to the best because of zero income tax. So Edunova gets inspired by Dubai to find and create jobs for all. And now that you have a job, you want a great daily life and infrastructure. You have bad transport, you get late. You have bad housing, you are always tired. You have bad city planning and you are stuck on the road forever. And hence, one of the most planned and predictable countries of the world, I bring to you the efficiency of Singapore. It's clean, it's organized, and it's efficient. And so, in our Edunova, we have reliable transport, clean environment, and efficient systems. And still being close to India gives us easy access to meet our family more frequently. Moving on, for safety of Edunova, I get inspired by Japan and UAE. And the weather in Edunova is more similar to Spain and Portugal with a great European vibe. I would want to go and bring in from Finland and Sweden, the Nordics, and Netherlands. And again, the work-life balance I would take from Australia, where you get to keep your mental health at a higher priority than your career. So all that completes Edunova. Let's zoom out. It's simple. The perfect country doesn't exist, but the perfect combination does. Your goal should not be to hunt the best country. It's to decide what 2-3 things matter to you the most: education, cost, visa, safety, weather, work life, or just happiness. And pick the real country that matches your version of Edunova. I hope you guys had fun and enjoyed, and if you did, do subscribe to our channel and let me know your thoughts. What's your Edunova like? And put them in the comments. Until then, I'm going to see you all very shortly in the next video.